Alright guys, we got another Gundam to do. I'll do a quick unbox and then I'll fast forward through the build and we'll come back at the end. This one's the same scale, the 1/44 scale that we did with our other guy. That one, so have two. And then I'll probably start kit bashing or doing something like that. Which one's this guy? This is Gundam. They all have some weird names. BLitz. See, it's pretty sweet. Trying to stay warm today, so all the lights are out, but our spotlights. Their manuals are pretty decent. I actually really dig them. So again, they get these at Millennium Games. We'll go through it all. Just do a quick build, and then I'll be doing a second video of weathering all my guys. So looks like this one comes with a stand. The other one didn't have a stand. Got all this stuff. Another set of stickers. And there's a purple. This one's black and purple. Should be cool. Alright, we'll get it set up and we'll get it rolling.